Apple's about to take the stage, but you don't have to wait until the keynote, because today we're diving straight into the iPhone 17 Pro. And let me tell you, for once, Apple has done more than just polish the edges. This is the kind of redesign that actually makes you pause and go, okay, that's new. Let's start with the most obvious change, the camera bar. It runs all the way across the back now, giving the phone a bolder, more modern look. Some people will say it looks a little Android inspired, but honestly, I think it's one of the cleanest designs Apple has pulled off in a while. And it's not just for show, because all three cameras are now 48 megapixels, even the telephoto, which means your 5x optical zoom is jumping to a massive 10x. If you love mobile photography, this is a big deal. Apple even moved the LiDAR scanner and flash over to the side to reduce red eye. That's smart, though if you're still blasting flash in 2025, maybe you're the one who needs an upgrade. The body has also been completely reworked, a unibody aluminum design with a glass cutout for wireless charging, giving the phone a two-tone aesthetic. It feels less like a tech gadget and more like something you'd expect from a premium fashion brand. And yes, it's a little thicker this year, but that's a compromise I'll happily take if it means more battery life. Inside, the new A19 Pro chip is running the show. It's faster, it's more efficient, and it's built to power Apple Intelligence. Now, Apple Intelligence is impressive, don't get me wrong, but half the time it feels like Siri finally learned how to Google things properly. Still, with 12 gigabytes of RAM, this phone should handle those AI features smoothly, without lag. And then we've got the colors. Every year, Apple gives us that one exclusive color to flex. This time, we're getting two. An orange finish, which Apple will probably call bronze to make it sound fancier, and a Titan blue that looks sharp. Of course, you'll also have the standard Pro sizes, big and bigger. Here's my honest take. The iPhone 17 Pro finally feels like a meaningful refresh. The design looks premium, the cameras are stronger than ever, performance is top-notch, and yes, Apple Intelligence might not be Skynet yet, but it adds some useful tricks. If you've been waiting for Apple to give you a reason to upgrade, this might be it. So what do you think? Is this the iPhone Apple fans have been asking for, or are they just catching up to the competition? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Chat for more deep dives into the latest leaks, launches, and everything in between.